All-Clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker Review. Because of the amount of waffle makers on the market, finding the right one can be difficult. One of the top options available on the marketplace would have to be the All-Clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker. This is one of the top-rated waffle makers available on the market today due to its value proposition. In this review, we will be going over some of its main features, its pros and cons, and whether or not consumers like it. Top features of the All-Clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker. Stainless steel. This particular product is made up of high quality and durable stainless steel. Because of this, you are not going to have to worry about it breaking easily with a single drop, unlike a lot of the other waffle makers on the market. Not to mention, this is also going to allow your appliance to look great in a modern kitchen. Shading and browning dial. This particular waffle maker comes with an excellent 6-setting dial, which allows for manual tuning, shading, and browning of the waffles that you make. A lot of people enjoy their waffles a certain way, with a certain color and texture. Because it comes equipped with 6 different settings, you should be able to find the perfect medium for your liking. Ready to cook, ready to eat, LED indicators. Another great feature is that the All-Clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker comes equipped with LED indicators for the waffles to show when ready to cook and ready to eat. This means that you are not going to have to ever wonder when the waffle machine is ready to begin cooking, or when the waffles are done according to your setting and liking. This can save you from having to continue to monitor and look at the waffle to see if it's done, and to avoid overcooking. Lock lid. Another feature that this waffle maker comes equipped with is a complete lock lid. This means that you are going to be able to effectively store this unit upright without having to worry about it falling or separating once you lift it up. While a simple feature, it is a very important one. Audible alert. Another great feature that a lot of people are going to enjoy is the audible alert function. This means that you are not even going to need to stare or look at the LED indicator light. You can literally set your waffle maker to cook and forget it, because it is going to sound off and let you know exactly when it is done. This will allow you to focus on making other ingredients or foods while your waffle cooks. Benefits from the All-Clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker. Ease of use. One of the best things about this waffle maker is that it is impossible to mess up. Because it comes with LED and audible indicators to let you know when it is done, you are not going to be able to mess up a waffle even if you tried. Heat adjustable. A lot of the waffle makers on the market do not come with the ability to adjust the amount of heat the waffle is exposed to. Because this one has a dial, you will be able to make your perfect and favorite kind of waffle, whether it is the nice and fluffy kind, or the darker and crispier waffles. Easy to clean. Another huge benefit of this waffle maker is the fact that it is incredibly easy to clean. You simply wipe it down, inside and out, after each and every use. There is one potential letdown for the more cost-conscious purchaser, and that is price. This waffle maker is on the pricier side of things, and you are going to be paying more for its high-quality build and look. Consumers' thoughts. This particular waffle maker is constantly praised on the Amazon Marketplace, with over 220 reviews currently, and an overall review score sitting at 4.5 out of 5. Because of this, the All-Clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker would be a great choice for anyone looking for a modern and fully featured single waffle maker. Further information on the all-clad 99012 GT Classic Round Waffle Maker, and reviews of other available waffle makers, are obtainable from www.bestwafflemakers.net.